some new fresh question with a new face. And trust me, we're gonna have fun. And we have fun. You ready?
Ready like Freddy.
Introduce yourself to the people them know where you're from and your name.
Well, I'm from Kingston. My name is Patricia Richard.
Patricia Richard. So that we are family. Alright, so she look like she know everything about dancehall today. So here we go on. We are test our dancehall knowledge. You see me I say? Before I'm gonna further, big up Jussbuss TV and Magnum. You get me I say? That is it. So you ready?
Ready.
Ready like Freddy?
Like Freddy.
Alright, so the first question. Name the dancehall artist who sing the lyrics. Excuse me, pass me cellular phone, me call Antoinette and Simone.
Miss Alexis.
Wait, you have to think, wait, I'm too tired first. Think. Because you know what I said, I want to say it so.
Miss Alexis.
Alright.
Nah, take it back.
No! Because she do sharp, I do sharper. Alright?
Yeah.
Move on to the next question. You see what I say? Bounty killer.
A bounty killer?
Yeah. Bounty killer. Because you're 17, you know? She not gonna know them questions there. Alright. Which dancehall selector sang the song Dirty Wine? Do you know you know it? Dirty Wine. Bust the Dirty Wine. How that go?
Dirty Wine.
Show people them because somebody have to refresh their memory. Dirty Wine. Dirty Wine, my girl. Dirty Wine. Why? Hey.
Dirty Wine, my girl. Dirty Wine.
Dirty Wine. I mean, who sing it? Who sing it? Who sing it? Dirty Wine, my girl. If we ever say it, we have problem. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No. Bling down.
Aye. Tony Mataran. Big up yourself, Tony Mataran. You see me I say? Alright, so we are eating with a bonus question. You want two Magnum?
Yeah.
You want a drink?
Want a drink?
Yeah.
I'm not remember sing at them.
She want a drink. Alright. Which two dancehall artists sing the song Thunder? Lord like. Alright. Inai. Okay. No give me no wicked man clock. Hey, me tell me that sing the song that one. Yeah! Yeah, me and my friend. That sing the song that. Yo. A bad song. Sing it for you. True like thunder, loud like.
You know them,
You know them?
Yeah, for sure.
She know them good.
No, I can't remember.
You see how I stand up in front of her, she know them. Yo. Mad. Sing for her. She make you roll like, loud like. Alright.
A popcorn. A popcorn. Popcorn. Popcorn.
Eh?
Popcorn.
Eh?
Popcorn. Popcorn.
Say it again.
Popcorn. That me say for popcorn.
Alright, now ask the crowd for help her.
Yeah.
Tell her who.
Crazy. Oh, you know crazy. But just try a thing. But just come try. But me not get none. You don't know the dancer.
And she a sing the song to you know.
I'm trying to tell my friend them say me don't know your song.
Why?
That's swear to you.
And you dance to it. Here you sing it.
Yeah.
Big her up still. BIM! Oh, like
But shame. Yeah.
Heg. Heg!
I'm gonna take a egg.
Alright, she want to take a picture.
With you. I tell my friend them say me don't know what you know. Enjoy.
Big up Jussbuss TV and Magnum. And we out here enjoy ourselves. You know many people I'm outside. When you say BIM! We outside. Them a try. Run up the like button, share and subscribe for more Jussbuss What You Know About Dancehall. BIM!